Hey, are you ready to dive into the ultimate fitness challenge? That's gonna have you shedding pounds like you're dropping hot potatoes. This is the Strength Showdown, a high-intensity battle that's not just about losing weight, it's about winning your life back. And so what's this showdown all about? Imagine pushing your limits with the most exhilarating, heart-pounding workouts designed to torch calories and build strength. Whether it's sprints, lifts, or agility drills, every session is a step towards a leaner, stronger you. Now I know what you might be thinking, this sounds intense. And yes, it absolutely is. But here's the kicker, it's also incredibly fun. Picture this, you drenched in sweat, a smile plastered on your face because you've just outdone yourself. That feeling of achievement, nothing beats that. All right, let's talk strategy. To win this battle, you need to be consistent. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of focusing solely on the scale, focus on how many workouts you can get through each week. Trust me, the numbers on the scale will start dropping before you know it. But hey, you're not in this alone. Join a community of fellow battlers all pushing towards their weight loss goals, supporting and challenging each other. There's power in numbers, and together we can make miracles happen. Now let's get practical for a second. To really kickstart your journey in the Strength Showdown, you'll want to pair these workouts with a balanced diet. Eat clean, stay hydrated, and watch as your body transforms. And remember, every day is a new chance to push a little harder, go a little longer, and be a little stronger. Don't beat yourself up over a bad day. Pick yourself up, dust off those sneakers, and get back at it. So are you ready to join the ultimate fitness battle? To not just lose weight, but to gain a whole new zest for life? Then what are you waiting for? Please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more. Let's do this together, y'all. Let's fight back with strength, sweat, and smiles. Can't wait to see you in the showdown. Y'all take care now. Here